Welcome back. This is the last video of the series, and now we are going to pay for the flight that we have searched and fill all. We have filled all the details, and now we are going to pay for the flight. So, as you know, this is the constructor that is calling class object. So, in the this is the real application. So, I will not be booking the seats. So, I will click on the skip to add-ons button and I will proceed to the pay and then I will click on continue button. Then after clicking on continue button, page will be redirected to the payment gateway. So uh, we have to enter a card number, card name on the card, expiry and CVV, and also we have to enter some extra details necessary if the payment information is incorrect. This is one of the good security measures they have added. In this, we have country, state, address, city, and PIN code. And pay now button, we can fetch the information regarding the payment. So these are the public method to perform action on the objects. So I'll skipping this sheets part. And now we have verify by credit card, debit card, or ATM card, and we have pay now button. This is the card number, and if you are making a project, don't then do not enter your real uh, credentials here. Enter your name, and uh, for the month part, I have used select class here, and using select class, we can automate drop down. If that drop down has select class, then only we can automate that drop down using select class. Select class has some inbuilt method, and one famous method is select by visible text. So I'm selecting August as my month, and same I have implemented select class for the year. Select by visible text method is which you can use select by index, or you can iterate the list, and you can get all the drop down options there. And then I'm entering the CVV. Then here again I am selecting in the uh, automating the drop down using select class. This is for the country tab, and these are the these are the some for state, address, pin code, and I have page booking information using list of web element, and I have iterated using for each loop, and I have printed out all the uh, details there using get text method, and I have finally clicking on the click now button, and there I'll be getting some error that is expected. So this is the last. This is the test case to call pay by credit card object. So this is the before test method. We have prerequisite to launch a browser. As you know, this test class is extending base class, and uh, we have written all the web browser related prerequisite in the base class, and same goes for the prerequisite to search flight and prerequisite to book flight. So here I am skipping verify seats, uh, skipping real-time seat booking to avoid any inconvenience to rail user, and this is the public method I am calling using reference variable. In the base class, I have created object for this class pay by credit card object, pay pay by credit card object, and using this reference variable I am calling methods, and lastly I have created one suit file here. So to create a suit file, you have to go to You have to right click the project and go to test.ng and convert to test.ng. Here you will say uh, give your suit any name and click on the next, and you can select which are the classes you want for the parallel execution, and you can click on the finish. So I have already created one suit file. Suit file is a collection of all the classes. You can see all the classes here, and under the classes parameter tag we have written our test cases here. You can see search flight test case, book flight test case, verify field real test case, pay by credit card, and this is also end-to-end test case. Let me end this. Okay, this is the end-to-end test case. This is basically automated scenario for the uh, flight book model, book flight model. This is our test case. We just have we are just printing end-to-end testing is complete, and all the prerequisite you can see here is written in the before test that include a prerequisite to launch browser setup, search flight, prerequisite to book a flight, prerequisite to fill trip details, and uh, pay flight details. So in this way you can make this project.